Right, here we go. We've got a Bobcat here. Bit of plant machinery, it's brand new, and these things need protecting, otherwise they are going to go to Lithuania, or maybe somewhere else, who knows. But yeah, have a look at this, just have a look around this thing. It's quite a bit of kit, this is. I'll be given strict instructions on how to drive this, because I didn't actually drive it in, it was driven in here. But I've been given strict instructions, and I'm hoping I'll remember how to do it. So let's see, wish me luck. Oh, I've got to put this bar down, looks like I'm on a merry-go-round. Right, so turn the ignition on. Well, that's actually quite easy. It's more difficult getting in and out of it, to be honest with you, but there you go.